Hello everybody. Alright, this is Christy. So I'm going to do something I don't do very often. This is actually an unboxing video. I don't think I've done one of these yet. To be honest, I'm trying really hard to sew my stash. So trying really hard not to have so many boxes to unbox. But you know, sometimes you just can't help yourself. Retail therapy is totally a thing. Anyway, today I actually have the 2023 spooky box from the Fat Quarter Shop. If you aren't aware of them, they're a great online quilt shop. They have a series of boxes called the Sew Sampler Box that I have on again, off again been a subscriber to. I always love them. They're a lot of fun. You get a gift in the mail. It's not really a gift. You pay for it. But they always have cute notions and fabrics and patterns and all kinds of fun stuff in there. I've been trying really hard not to purchase those this last year, but I have been in a super Halloween mood for the last couple weeks. It actually got a little bit chilly here in San Diego, which is funny because we almost never get fall weather, but it's actually felt a little crisp for the last couple weeks. And I've been in a total pumpkin spice and Halloween and apple crisp kind of mood. So anyway, spooky box. So this I am about to open with you guys. See, I just got it in the mail today. I took off the packing slips, which is why the box is a little messed up. But I literally haven't even opened it yet. So shall we see what all is in this? And I promise these are not my sewing scissors. Actually, I think this was from one of their this cute little tag that says paper on it. I think was maybe from one of the Sew Sampler boxes a while back. So anyway, let's open this guy up and see what kinds of cool stuff they sent. Anyway, these subscription boxes are so much fun, and they can be too much if you subscribe to them for a long time. But seriously though, total fun stuff to do. Alright, so first up, can you see that? Inside of the box. These boxes are always cute, and I have a big stack of them that I use for gift boxes and storing things, but this one's awesome. Celebrating spooky season. Adorable ghost. Alright, so cool. No tricks, just treats. Fat Quarter Shop exclusive 2023 spooky box. And very awesome. On the bottom side of this looks like a couple of coupon codes, so I will be saving that to look at later. I'm sure I'll be shopping again soon. Holidays are coming up and all that. Alright, so what else do we have? So they included a cool little guide to what all is in my box. Alright. And I should also mention, this is totally not a sponsored video. This is a treat that I bought myself that I thought I would share with you because it's always fun to see what's new. So this is going to tell me what all I'm about to pull out of the box. Looks like we got some notions, and this will tell me like, ooh, there's a needle minder. Ooh, cats. Love cats. Alright, cool. So let's actually look at all the toys in here. So first up, looks like a mini jelly roll. Does it say on there? Oh, can you read it? Aha, there it is. It says Fright Delight. It's a Riley Blake line. That looks, I can see some little like cartoony like pumpkins and maybe some sayings and candy, and so that looks cute. I do not need another Halloween quilt, but I am liable to make another Halloween quilt sometime soon because I keep finding myself looking at patterns, so it just is. Alright, this looks like washi tape. Looks like there is some hats and black cats, some stars. Oh, this isn't just washi tape. This is actually like the 1/4-inch seam tape. That is super awesome. Or the diagonal seam tape is I think what they call it. This one is actually just says it's a quilter's guide tape, so it's not the name branded diagonal seam tape. But this, because it's got that line down the center, do I have a ruler? I probably do. Hold up. I think this is going to be that little white line down the center of each one of those. Looks like it's exactly at, aha, you can see it, the 1/4-inch mark. You can see that. So I can use this on my sewing machine, which I do use the diagonal seam tape to help with sewing just long straight lines, and also half square triangles when you sew, you know, do that whole mark a line 1/4 to 1/4 on a square and then sew down either the line or either side of it. Yeah, I usually skip the whole drawing the line. I can just line up with the diagonal seam tape on my machine. So cute. I got Halloween versions. And oh my god, ah, black cat pins. So something, if you have ever followed my Instagram, or possibly my YouTube, I think mostly on Instagram, you may have seen my quilt inspector posts. I have a pair of black kitties. One of them is all black, and the other one is a tuxedo, so black with white paws and a white chest and some white on his chin. He looks very distinguished. They are my resident quilt inspectors. The tuxedo cat, Shadow, in particular, checks out every quilt that I make. I have a picture on him on every project, especially once I get to this quilt sandwich section. You know he's going to sit on it. So he owns all the quilts in the house. So anyway, black cat pins. So that is awesome. I have, and yeah, love pins. I have tons of them, but I keep them stashed in every little spot. So the more boxes of them that I have, the merrier. And oh, that's adorable. Can you guys see that? It's a cat. It's a black cat wearing a witch's hat. It says it's a needle minder, so it'll be a little magnetic clip that you can put your sewing needle on to keep it from falling into the couch or into the bed or onto the floor of wherever you're sitting. And that is adorable. Sometimes I'll put these on my shirt while I'm stitching. I'll be cross-stitching or sewing on binding or embroidering or whatever it is I'm doing, or just hemming something. Right. And sometimes I'll actually like clip it to my work, especially if I'm cross-stitching. So that's adorable. Cute little black cat. Looks like my kitty, my all black kitty Oksana. Ooh, it looks like it came with a pattern. Look at that. That's adorable. It says Boo. It's got ghosts. Looks like it is made probably most likely with the mini jelly roll that they sent. So that would be, looks like it's for a 24 by 42 and a half table runner or wall hanging. So it looks like all I need to add is a little bit of background and binding and borders if I want them. So anyway, that is an adorable quilt pattern. I'll have to take a look at that. That could be a really fun afternoon. Just something quick, and I'm sure my family will love having yet another Halloween quilt hanging around the house. Honestly, they won't mind. They like Halloween too. We go all out on the yard. I wonder if you guys do also. Anyway, oh, and there we go. The last fun part, the whole inside of the box, if you can see the whole thing. The top, celebrating spooky season. And inside, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. You can bet that this box is going to be something I store something in that I'm getting out every year. So we have boxes and boxes in our garage of our Halloween decor. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be storing some of our smaller breakable things in this little box so that I will get a smile out of it every year when we pull our stuff out. Okay, so this is like totally super cute. Anyway, just thought I would share. Usually the Fat Quarter Shop, they sell a box. I think they got like one every quarter or so, plus they have their every month one. It's a fun subscription. I might put a link in the thing below. Again, I don't have any kind of affiliate links or anything like that at this point, so if you like them, go ahead and subscribe to them. If not, have fun shopping at your local quilt shop or online, however you like to shop. And happy Halloween season, because we got a whole month of it, which I'm pretty excited about. Anyway, take care. Talk to you guys later.